Hello बच्चों, welcome to another episode of समझ के रटो. And today we are going to talk about a very important topic, which is endotracheal tubes. I know there is a lot of confusion about what is the PVC tube, what is a flexometallic tube, what are RAE tubes, North Pole tube, South Pole tube. So to end the confusion, let us start with understanding the basic about tube. Okay, just simple endotracheal tube. What is the meaning? Endo means inside, right? When we do a treatment inside the tooth, we call it endodontics. When we extract the tooth to take it out of the body, we call it exodontia. So endo means inside. Okay, so endo means inside, tracheal means inside the trachea. So any tube which we put inside the trachea, usually during a surgery, okay, it can also be used in emergency when the airway is compromised, but electively, normally, we use an endotracheal tube to provide airway to a patient who is going under surgery, who is undergoing a general anesthesia. Because in general anesthesia, all the muscles are relaxed, we give a muscle relaxant, and the diaphragm will not contract, expand. You will need to give external air, means externally through a machine via a proper airway. So endotracheal tube, when it is placed correctly within the trachea, beyond the glottis, with the curve inflated, with the, it is secured in its place, so you call it a definitive airway. What is definitive airway? Any airway which is beyond the glottis, because till the glottis, it can go, air can go into the trachea also, air can go into the esophagus also. Okay, but beyond the glottis, it will definitely be in the airway, in the trachea. So endotracheal tube, any tube which is in the trachea. Now very simply, if I tell you this is tube number 1 and this is tube number 2, what is the difference between these tubes? Okay, it is difficult to say, right? But when I zoom them, I will see that this tube has some metal rings in it. Okay, now what is the advantage? Very simply, I'll give you one example. You have used the water pipe, a pipe which is used to water the plants. Okay, if you have 10 or 15 pots on a terrace or in your garden, you use a normal water pipe to water the plants. हम पौधों में पानी डालने के लिए पाइप यूज करते हैं. अगर कहीं से वो पाइप मुड़ जाए तो पानी आना बंद हो जाता है. If the pipe kinks or bends, the water flow to the pipe end stops. This is okay if it happens while you're watering the plants. But if this happens during surgery, if the pipe or the tube kinks or bends and the airflow, the oxygen flow to the patient is reduced or is stopped, it's a threat, it's a problem, okay? And anyways, these tubes are covered under the sterile drapes. Now, if a surgeon is doing an abdominal surgery, okay, if it's a stomach surgery or an intestinal surgery, and the tube is here, usually it is not a problem. But maxillofacial surgeons, ENT surgeons, the tube is also right here, the site of surgery is also here. So when the surgeon is operating in the oral cavity or in the temporomandibular joint region, wherever in the face, when he is operating, there is a chance that the patient's head will move. Okay, if it's a bilateral ankylosis, first you will operate here, then you will operate here, then you will do an intraoral coronoidectomy. So a lot of things, lot of head bending, lot of movement of the airway happens, especially in maxillofacial surgeries. Because of that, it was common to have kinking of the normal PVC tube. So to correct that problem or to overcome that problem, what we have now is this. Okay, so this is the first tube that I was talking about. This is the normal PVC tube, and when there is a bend in the tube, it can kink. Kinking is a disadvantage of the normal PVC tube. That is why in maxillofacial surgeries, you prefer to use this tube. You can see there are metal rings. It's not a metal tube, it is a plastic tube, but there are metal rings in it, because of which it is called flexometallic tube. Okay, flexo because it is still flexible, metallic because it has metal rings, so that even if it bends, it will not kink, it will not stop the flow of gases. Okay, another name for the flexometallic tube is armored tube. It's also called the armored tube. Just like, when a soldier is going for a war, okay, he will wear all his armor, all these metal guards, chest guard and arm guards and helmets. So this metal is rather a guard. Okay, for the tube also, this metal is an armor to prevent it from kinking, because it is important to not stop the flow of gases. So this is the basic two types of tubes: the simple PVC tube or the armored or flexometallic tube. Okay, even if you completely bend this tube, it will bend, it will not kink, and that is the biggest advantage of a flexometallic tube. It will not kink, no kinking. Alright, so with this basics, I hope you understand the two basic types of tubes. Next episode, we will talk about the preformed or the RAE tubes. Thank you so much.